what I eat in a day to lose weight on the Eat to Live Nutritarian lifestyle. As always, if you want the recipes, we're going to give you 3 brand new, delicious, wonderful recipes in this video. Just go to thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets and you can download that there, as well as all the other recipes from previous What I Eat in a Day videos and other recipe videos. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, here we go. Let's make our food for the day. This is what we would call a set of meals. So 3 meals, 1 day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, that you can just repeat anytime you want. Super easy. So breakfast is overnight PB Oats. Yummy overnight oat recipe with a few twists like we like to do around here. The end result may remind you of a pudding-like texture. It's very simple to make as we put all the ingredients in a bowl, just stir them together. So we start with old-fashioned oats, toss in cacao powder, cinnamon, and then the surprise ingredient, fresh baby spinach. Now you might be like, wait, what? We just pulverize this in the food processor with the S blade, or you can simply chop it with a knife if you like, but this way the spinach leaves are finely ground and it makes the finished product a vibrant green. Not to mention, I bet you can't even taste the spinach, but look at all that extra nutrition you're getting. Add the raisins and toss to coat everything. Stir in the plant milk, nut butter. We are using peanut butter, flaxseed, raisins, and fruit. And we opted for a chopped mango here, but use whatever fresh fruit you like or frozen. And now cover, store in the refrigerator overnight or up to 3 days. And you can just grab and go when you're ready. If you prefer, you can leave out the fruit and top your dish with that when you go to eat it. Lunch is a big salad, of course, aptly named, don't you think? The big salad. This one has a spring mix lettuce base along with some cabbage. We toss these in our chopping bowl along with the onion and give it a good chop. Into our 2-quart serving bowl goes this mixture that we garnish with shredded carrots, some beans, and diced sweet apple. Our simple dressing is just lime juice, tahini, and water to thin it out a little bit. When served, just drizzle the tahini dressing over your salad, and then you can add some balsamic vinegar if you like, any kind. And I really like those kind of sweet, thicker, slightly thicker kinds. Goes really well with the apples in this. Dinner is on with a veggie stir fry. So, oops, we had a little technical issue with recording and the ingredients did not get captured exactly, but in any case, in the big electric skillet, we have onions, carrots, sweet peppers, garlic, mushroom, and sliced Brussels sprouts. We cooked this a few minutes and then added cauliflower rice and kale. We covered that and now we are up to speed. So here we go. Into the dish, we're gonna squeeze some lemon and add some unfortified nutritional yeast. Stir it gently and it is ready to serve. For presentation, we added some green onion, pistachios, and a bit of creamy avocado. And this dish, guess what? Tasty, either cold or hot, all right? So G-Bomb's done. We have gotten in what we need for the day. That's amazing. I hope you loved it. And remember the cheat sheets. If you want the actual recipes for these, just go to thewateringmouth.com/cheat sheets. Sign up there. We'll give you a password, and then you will have access to all the cheat sheets we have done in the past with similar sets like this. 3 recipes in 1 day. Lots of really great stuff. You get all your G-Bombs in. You know that you're getting those in, and you might even lose some weight if that's something you're looking to do. All right, that's all I got for you. I hope you love these recipes. Let us know down in the comments below. And what are you working on right now lately? What are you struggling with? What do you need help with? Let us know down below and let's have a chat. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.